Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your branding with Printful easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin securing your branding with Printful, first, create an account on their website. Visit the Printful homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Once your account is created, log into Printful. Navigate to the stores section in the dashboard. Click on Choose a Platform to select where you want to sell your products. Follow the instructions to connect your online store, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or another platform. After connecting your store, go to the Product Templates section. Here, you can start designing your products by clicking on Add Product. Choose from a variety of items, like t-shirts, mugs, or once you select a product, you'll enter the design interface. Upload your branding elements such as your logo or custom graphics. Utilize the tools to position and resize your designs to fit perfectly. After your design looks just right, click on Continue. Add product details like title, description, and pricing in the next step. Double-check all details are accurate before moving forward. Once satisfied, click on Submit to Store to publish your product. Return to the dashboard and navigate to the Orders section to manage incoming orders. Set up your shipping options under the Settings tab for ease of fulfillment. Next, create mockups for your products. Select the mockup style that best represents your branding. Save these mockups for promotional use on your store and social media. Regularly update your product listings to keep your brand fresh and relevant. Take advantage of Printful's marketing tools to promote your products. Engage with your customers through social media platforms to build brand loyalty. Finally, monitor your sales and customer feedback to continuously refine your branding strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.